So, Degas, I'm wondering how we should factor additional stimulus into the way we're thinking about the market, and certainly the president and his diagnosis in context, too.
Yeah, Scott, what this reminds me of is that today the challenge of political courage looms larger than ever. And that's a quote from Profiles in Courage by John F. Kennedy. And so then Senator John F. Kennedy in 1955. So what we're seeing is a movement with the stimulus package, and it's a possibility it could get done now. And so we hope that that moves forward because we need that. The economy needs it more so than probably the capital markets, because we're seeing that the economy is definitely a disconnect from the general capital markets. And so, but we're seeing a pullback in the general market now too. So this stimulus is important, and it's probably more important from the Main Street for the business owners than even for the capital markets at this point. So we hope that the Congress can come together and put forth that package.